If you are a Windows user, you already know this issue. Sometimes, when Windows is not activated, as soon as you turn on your computer, you see the Activate Windows warning on the screen. And when you try to change the wallpaper or personalization settings, those options are not available. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Windows 11 using a genuine license key. Hello guys, this is Each and Everything, and let's get started. As I mentioned, when your Windows license is not activated, you cannot change the wallpaper, and it's not just the wallpaper, your system performance also drops. No matter how good your hardware is, if your Windows 11 Pro version is not activated, you will face these issues. Over time, the screen may even turn completely black, and no matter how many times you try to change the wallpaper, nothing will happen. I have personally faced this problem many times, and if you are using any pirated or cracked version, that can be very dangerous. And I know that most key generators are actually malware. They inject malicious files into your system and put your computer and personal data at serious risk. In today's time, especially in 2026, using pirated software is something you should completely avoid. During my research, I found that Windows 11 Pro licenses are available on different websites at very reasonable prices, either as OEM keys or discounted licenses. You just need to find a genuine and trusted source. I have already done this research for you, and I found a website. I will put the URL in the description. First, click the link, and you will land directly on the website. Here, you can see different keys available. These are OEM Windows activation keys. One thing I want to clear is that these keys are sold in bulk, which is why they are cheaper than retail keys. They offer a fully functional version of Windows, but these keys are locked by Microsoft to the specific computer, specifically the motherboard, upon which they are first activated. So it is 100% safe. Now let me show you the activation process. First, I select Windows 11 Pro. Then click the Buy Now button. Next, click the Add to Cart button, and then click Proceed to Checkout. Here, first enter your correct email address. After that, choose the payment method. Then you will be asked to enter some personal details, which are not payment details, so you can relax while entering them. After that, click the Update button. Now, before proceeding to payment, make sure to enter the coupon code that I will give in the description. Enter the discount code and click Apply Discount. After that, you will see the discount applied here, and you will get a 25% discount. Then click Place Order and complete the payment. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Verify that all details are correct, then click Pay. Once the purchase is complete, you will receive two emails, one confirming your order and another containing your license key. You can simply copy the key from the email. To activate Windows, open Settings, click Activate Now, go to Change Product Key, paste the key, and click Next. Then click Activate. And as you can see, Windows is now activated. That confirms your Windows is fully genuine and activated.